What is going on YouTube? Hannah back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. And boy, do we have a lot, and I mean a lot, of stuff to discuss today, specifically in the eyes of corrections, reversals, and some very peculiar patterns that have been taking place across the board. Just yesterday or 2 days ago, we were talking about bear traps. And today I'm going to talk about bull traps. And also today we're going to talk about the fact that maybe we were right in the fact that a drop is incoming here. And we saw a lot of uncertainty over the past couple of days, which were leading us to believe in other opportunities here, which is peculiar if you ask me. However, we have not bought in to long or short any of these cryptocurrencies just yet, at least in my book. However, that might be changing as of today, if not this week, where we do end up buying in for the thought that we would be sliding lower. And I would like to explain and touch upon this a bit more today. Now, as you guys can see, for a very long time, we have been tracking sideways channels here within a lot of the major cryptos. Just a couple of days ago, you can see the formation, and this has been going on for a very long time. We were waiting for this to eventually break or pop or move or do something. Then we discussed the stair-stepping descending fractal here as we were sliding lower. And then we saw an immediate bull trap, bear trap yesterday or 2 days ago here. And we actually reversed back up to close above support on a lot of the major cryptocurrencies. And then by the closure of yesterday's candle, we are now looking at a potential short opportunity. So we've been all over the place over the past 2 days, maybe 3 days. But I would side more with 2 days here. And I've read your guys' comments, and I know you guys are getting tight because I've been saying, back and forth. But I mean, I don't know what you want me to do. I'm not a fortune teller. I'm letting you guys know this now. We've been tracking this for a very long time. And now that we're getting very close to that end game, a decision has to be made. And it seems like the Bulls and the Bears are really fighting it out. So we are going to be going over all of that with you. Now, regardless of this, what I do know for certain is that I am giving away a free crypto coin display giveaway here. You can see right here, it is an XRP ticker display. Pulling it up, I have it in the background of all my videos. You can see this little LED neon thing in the back here. So it has a $130 value here, and I am going to be giving one of these bad boys away. It displays the price of XRP or whatever other cryptocurrencies you want 24/7, which is super cool. I'm going to ship this out completely free as well, so you guys are literally paying nothing, and all you have to do to enter this giveaway is comment subscribed and XRP giveaway down in the comment section below. Just comment those two things, and I will be sending this out to you ASAP. Now, we're going to be doing the drawing on Sunday morning. So you have 6 chances to enter before we pick someone at random to get the giveaway. It's this simple. You have 6 opportunities from the video posted on Monday. You now have Monday's video, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today's Thursday. 4 chances so far to comment XRP subscribed and XRP giveaway and subscribed on these 4 videos for a chance of 6 videos. And then I'm going to pick one of the random videos and pick one of the random comments. Ideally, the one with the most views I'll pick. And then we'll pick a random comment and we'll send it off to you. That simple, that easy. So make sure to check this out down in the description below. It's literally free. Like, if you guys don't comment, I don't understand. You're missing out on literally free stuff. We have over 4,000 to 5,000 people watching this video right now, and only about 100, maybe 80 comments right now. So, I mean, talk about terrible odds, so make sure to comment down in the comment section below if you want to win one of these. You have good odds, but it's terrible. The amount of people that don't want free stuff is beyond me. But if you want to win this, comment down below. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So diving into today's video, we have been all over the place over the past couple of days. Zooming in, you can see it is clearly and elaborately shown over the past couple of days here. We had a ton of consolidation. We've been watching the flatline pattern within most of the major cryptos. Flatlined out, we finally see a break. We're like, oh, great, we're going to break to the downside here. Bear trap. We reverse up to the upside. Oh, we're going to the upside here. Bull trap. And here we are now sliding back downwards. And this has happened to a lot of the cryptos. Bear trap, bull trap, now we're driving downwards. Bear trap, bull trap, now we're driving downwards. It's happening over most of the major cryptocurrencies, which is beyond me I don't understand, but we are sliding down, which is peculiar. Now, I think I know why. And I've been talking about this. If you've watched my videos, I've been talking about that we've needed to slide down for a long time. Now, I know correlation isn't always causation, but I don't know if you guys actually watch my videos to the end, but constantly I talk about the stock market, the S&P 500. So besides XRP and besides Ethereum and besides Bitcoin, I talk about the S&P 500, and I've made it very clear over my past videos that we are long overdue on the stock market to see us slide lower. Now, obviously, news comes out as to why we're falling lower, and if I pull it up like stock market drops, we're probably going to get some, biggest stock market. No, that is definitely not it. If we do news as of, what is it? Today is August. You can see stock market Dow falls and treasury yields jump after Fitch credit. Yeah, this is what I was listening to or what I saw. The market tumbled Wednesday with tech stocks leading NASDAQ. Lower investors were reaction by the Fitch to downgrade the U.S. government's credit rating. This is it. This is the information I want to pull up. My accountant told me about this, and I found this quite interesting. And I definitely think it's something we need to talk about here. The Fitch downgrade here. Let's pull it up. Fitch downgrade. Now, again, I've been saying to you guys day after day after day after day after day that the stock market is due to correct here, probably about 10%. I've literally drawn at the S&P 500, maybe 8% here. But I've drawn the downtrend here. Let's pull this up. Where in the world is it? Did they upgrade this? This is so wonky. I want a... maybe it's right here. Here we go. No, that's not even it either. What is going on here? They definitely tweaked this, and now I can't even find the pattern, the gap that I was like wanting to show. Here we go, the date range. They definitely adjusted this here. But from the drop, I'm expecting to see about a 7 to maybe even 9% drop on the S&P 500. This is what I think is very healthy and necessary for the stock market to continue to move upwards here. I think it's very necessary for us to do that. And this drop, this very large size drop, because we're overextended and above the white band here, I truly believe is pulling other cryptocurrencies down with it here. We've seen it in the past happen on numerous occasions, so by no means am I surprised that we're seeing crypto pull down too, because I'm very much so waiting patiently for a fairly large size drop to take place on the S&P 500, about 7 to 9%. I've been saying this day after day for this to happen here. So with this drop, if it does happen, I think it could have a big influence on Ethereum, Bitcoin, and XRP. Now, the news talks about Fitch tells CNN why it downgraded America Now. Basically, I don't know. I would love the actual meaning behind it because I'm not that caught up. In the financial world, it's akin to have a gold standard. AAA, 3 letters meant to denote the safest possible investment. The U.S. had proudly held the top-notch debt rating for decades, reflecting its status as the world's biggest and safest economy, one that has never defaulted on its debt obligations. But on Tuesday, Fitch Ratings cut the U.S. debt by 1 notch from AAA to AA+, partly in response to how the federal government handled the debt crisis 2 months ago. The move mirrored a similar downgrade by S&P in 2011. Fitch cited alarm over this country's deteriorating finances and expressed major doubts about the government's ability to tackle growing debt burden because of the sharp political divisions here. So regardless, of course, we have this drop here, and then we see, the stock market dip. But I've been saying countless times that this drop is needed. It's necessary for the health and longevity of the S&P. So I'm expecting a 7 to 9% drop on the S&P 500. And there's a good chance it's going to pull a lot of these cryptos down with it. We're already seeing it on XRP. For the first time in many, 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 many days, we have officially confirmed a closure on XRP below support here. We've been watching, you can see, I'm going to pull up my little candle here. Can we adjust these? No. That's lovely. But we've been watching XRP trade around in here. We found a clear floor that we've been battling and dealing with here. You can see it cuts through for a very long time here. And we finally saw closure last night, which was the opportunity to buy in for a short. So we have a short as a conservative, because I've been saying this day after day after day after day after day on XRP. I don't know how long to tell you conservatively. Let's go back literally. Let's go 3 days ago here. If I pull up the XRP charts, now we get commercials because I need to get YouTube Premium reactivated, whatever. Let's pull it up here. You can see if I go to XRP, and we talk about the XRP daily charts here, we've been looking at the price floor. And if we break through the price floor, I expect to see a drop. Look, this is what I just drew. This is on the 30th of July. It is currently the 3rd of August here. You can see this drop is what we were expecting. If we close the daily below price floor, that's the opportunity to short to moving average. Guess what? We closed literally yesterday, last night, below the price floor for the first time ever. So now we are in it for a short down to moving average. We do have a target in my mind of about 58 cents. We're taking the risk. We're taking the leap. And we have now entered a short last night to the downside here. I literally stated right here in my videos 4 days ago and yesterday and the day before consistently. I constantly mention it. So we've been back and forth for a while. I give you that. I have been back and forth because the past couple of days have been very close to breakout or breakdown. We saw major flips in the markets here where we fell down to 68 cents, reversed and closed back up. Then we had a big drop down to 67 cents, reversed and closed back up. But again, these wicks were not surprising. We've done it in the past year. But when we confirm closure of the daily below support, which was last night at 68 cents, that was the key opportunity to buy in and short this to the downside. So we did take advantage, and we are in for a short. We have an entry at 68 cents with a stop loss a bit higher, closer to 70 here. But now I expect to see the drop happen. So we are in it for a short. It's not too late, in my opinion. Had I have missed the opportunity last night, I'd still think today would be an opportunity to get in. Obviously, doing these trades on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Every single thing you could possibly think of is offered on BidFi. So make sure to check out BidFi down in the description below. Completely free to sign up, completely free, risk-free to trade, which is cool. They give you $100,000 of Monopoly money to test your skills and get familiar with the platform before you make real trades. And they are offering a welcome bonus of up to $28.88. Completely free by filling out the tasks right down here. So make sure to check out BidFi down in the description below. But moving forward from that, look, we already talked about XRP. We're going to move on to these other cryptocurrencies. By some stroke of luck, yesterday we managed to close Ethereum. Now, again, Ethereum is quite risky here with the way things are moving. We're already at moving average, so I don't know how we're going to move. I don't know. I already have a trade on XRP. I don't need that many open here, but for those aggressive traders, we did close below support, but we are intertwined with this moving average, which is enough for me to stay clear of it. Bitcoin has yet to break downwards from here, so it's still inside this descending fractal here, but I think soon we are going to tackle lower. That's kind of my thought here, as the S&P is probably going to continue to drop downwards here, but I don't know. We'll find out. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.